Next, we are going to talk about widgets in WordPress. If we can go to appearances, where we can see something called as widgets. Widgets are an important component of a WordPress website. They help us manage the information which comes on the footer and the sidebars. Since this theme does not support the sidebars, we can only see footer 1 and footer 2 here. And footer 2 does not have any widgets at this stage. If we can just go to the home page of the website and we scroll down, we can see recent post, recent comments, we can see the search on the top, then we can see recent post, recent comments, archives, categories, meta tags. If we just come here in the widgets tab, we can see the same stuff in the same order. Like first we have got search, recent post, then recent comments, then archives, categories and meta. We can decide if we want to remove something, we can straight away delete it from here. And when we just visit the website again, yeah, I accidentally closed the tab. I'll just reopen that. If we just open this website again, we will see that the last meta category tag has disappeared. We can also move the widgets to the second footer or some other place as we please to do them. For example, I just may want the recent comments and archives to come in the footer 1 and the rest on footer 2. I can do that as well. And when I refresh it, I will get the categories in the second footer and not in the first. Just to make sure that it is aligned properly, what I will do is I will move the recent post comments in the footer 1. And I think it should be aligned now. Yes. There is a slight mismatch, but that is absolutely okay. So a quick tip here, whenever you are unable to find any category or you are unable to find any element in the website that you can't manage from the page, you can just straight away go to appearance and visit widgets and you will be able to find that element. You also have an option to add a number of stuff in it like tag clouds, videos, text, RSS feeds, recent comments, which we already have. In fact, navigation menu, we can have the menus added there as well. Images, custom HTML, calendar, you can also add a calendar. These days people do not add calendar to the WordPress websites, but previously we used to see a lot of people adding calendars to the website as well. So if we go there, we have got the calendar which has come up. And calendars are important in terms you can just click and see what post has been added on what day, so you can get to know about all the posts on that specific days which have been added. So currently it's only on 15th and 19th, so when we click on 15th, we'll be able to see the hello world post, the by default post which is there on this thing. So that's one way you can also have calendars in the widget section.